Hello, this is Nana Chabra with my Ielts tutor. This is chapter 5 of reading module. Our questions not in sequence. We have so far understood the questions which are in sequence, and now we'll be talking about answers of questions which are not in sequence. It is actually a struggle for students to locate the answer, to find the correct answers for these question types. But of course, as I mentioned earlier, each question type has right strategy. So we will be providing you with the strategy, but yes, when we'll be talking about the question types then. Now, when answer is not in sequence, it means answer could be anywhere in the passage. We have to read forward also, we have to read backward also. So if I found the answer of first question in the second paragraph, it is not important or it is not necessary that I will find answer of the second question by reading forward. Maybe the answer of second question is in the first paragraph. So which are these questions, the answers of which we are not able to find in sequence, the answers of which are not in sequence. So the first question type is matching headings. Matching headings, the answers will not be in sequence. You will be given with the options, you have to read the paragraph and you have to answer. Okay? It could be, you have to go through the options again and again. Any question in which you have to match the information, the answers will not be in sequence. The second question type is again matching information. You have information and you have names of some authors or writers. Then you have to match it with the statement. You have to locate it. You have to go through the whole passage and all paragraphs to find your correct answer. It is actually a struggle for students. It becomes difficult to go through the paragraphs in such limited time. But don't have to worry about it because we have strategies for it. And we'll be doing it with good strategy by practicing it, by improving it. And don't forget to add your own personal skill, own personal strength when you are applying any of the strategy. So these two types of questions we don't find answers in sequence. Number one is matching headings. Number two is matching information. Now in next chapters, we'll be talking about more into detail about skills which are required in reading and strategies which we need to apply for solving different question types. So before that, there is a quiz for you. You have to solve this quiz to pass the basics of reading module so that we can move further with the upgraded lessons. Thank you so much.